Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap, Moody local and long-distance movers near me. Are you planning to work with an efficient, trustworthy, and cheap Moody moving company? Look no further than 3 Movers. Our solutions meet the best standards in the industry to ensure optimal customer satisfaction. You can hire us to meet your commercial and residential moving needs. Our vastly experienced and skilled professionals get the job done on time with the utmost accountability. We offer everything you need to make your relocation easy and effortless. You can enjoy the following services and benefits with us. Packing services. Our moving package offers packing services. You can concentrate on other important aspects of your relocation. Moving supplies. You don't have to find time to source moving supplies. We offer all types of moving supplies. An on-time move. Timeliness is our promise to each customer. Everything will go according to plan without any delays or cancellations. Upfront pricing. When you approach us with your long-distance moving needs, we will offer a free quote that contains detailed information about the price. Licensed and insured. We send only licensed and insured movers to meet your needs. If you have a long-distance moving need, we can help. Our team makes it simple to move across the country or even just one state over. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Moody moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.